Hi guys, in front of me is Motorola Moto E32S, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So at first, open your phone dialer, then select the contact that you wish to add this profile picture to. Now click on edit icon, select add photo, and you can either take a photo or choose something from your gallery. Let me actually choose photo. Then smoothly mark the picture that you want to apply as your profile picture. Customize it however you like. You can crop it, you can rotate it, just do whatever you want, and tap on Save Copy. Click on Save then to apply the change, and that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.